Get ready for Mother's Day course and interactive training. Are you struggling to grow your online business? If so, the Get Ready for Mother's Day course and interactive training could be your game changer. This comprehensive program teaches you the ins and outs of print on demand to elevate your business. The course is meticulously designed with quality materials to ensure durability. The aesthetic appeal enhances the learning experience, making it visually engaging and user-friendly. From a step-by-step guide to setting up your print-on-demand business to optimizing product listings for maximum visibility, this course covers it all. The interactive training ensures hands-on learning, making it easy to implement the strategies in real time. Compared to other online business courses, Get Ready for Mother's Day stands out with its specific focus on print-on-demand for Mother's Day products. The personalized approach and in-depth training set it apart from generic business courses. Pros include a clear roadmap to success, expert-led training, and valuable resources. On the downside, some users may find the course content overwhelming initially. What makes this course unique is its laser focus on leveraging print-on-demand for Mother's Day. The comprehensive curriculum and actionable steps make it a standout choice for aspiring entrepreneurs. Users rave about the practical insights, actionable strategies, and ongoing support provided by the course. Testimonials highlight the positive impact on their businesses and bottom line. Carol, and to add one more thought, I think this thread goes to show the level of hand-holding support we get and give in this group. Ryan, it is great to see so many positive and creative people helping each other on there. I love the energy, so glad I joined in. Smiley face. To get the most out of the course, actively engage in the weekly homework assignments, participate in the private community for networking, and leverage the expert interviews for valuable insights. Question: is prior experience required to enroll in the course? A. No. The course caters to beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs looking to expand their online business. If you're ready to elevate your online business with print on demand for Mother's Day, Get Ready for Mother's Day course and interactive training is your ultimate guide. With a proven system, expert guidance, and ongoing support, this course is a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs.